In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Hello Neighbor 2 on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily get Hello Neighbor 2 on PlayStation. You will be able to find it on the official PlayStation Store, so you can follow along on the website by visiting helloneighbor2.com and then clicking on the PlayStation logo, or going over to the store.playstation.com website, or alternatively, just open the PlayStation Store directly on your console. When you look for Hello Neighbor 2, you will be able to find the game. So if you use the search function instead of going over to the website, you will be able to find Hello Neighbor 1 and then Hello Neighbor 2. So as you can see, it is currently on sale. Usually it is $39.99, but during the time that I'm recording this video, it's going for $15.99, and you will be able to add the game to your cart and purchase it. It is going to run on a PlayStation 4 and also PlayStation 5, and this is going to be the standard edition. You also have the deluxe edition, which has some DLC included. So if you want the maximum amount of content, be sure to acquire the deluxe edition. The add-ons can also be purchased separately, so you have Back to School, Helicopter, and then Late Fees. You can see some reviews, but to keep it simple, Hello Neighbor 2 is going to be a stealth horror game about uncovering your creepy neighbor's past. You are a journalist looking to solve the neighbor's case since no one dares to. Keep in mind that this is going to be entirely a single-player experience, so you will not be able to do any sort of multiplayer. It is meant to be played alone, so keep that in mind. If you purchase the game, it is going to be only single player. And as soon as you purchase either the standard or deluxe edition of the game, you will have full access to the base game and you will be able to play. If you got the deluxe edition or any of the add-ons, you will be able to access these as well as new stages and new things available. So make sure that you browse through the store page and you buy Hello Neighbor 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Hello Neighbor 2 on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.